Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a vertical blur effect on CapCut PC. So I just made like my video, separated them into like four videos, and then I also made it slow motion, and I put the speed down to 0.2x speed. I think I might also add in smooth slow motion, which is here. So maybe do that first, so the slow motion is smoother. So I'm just going to apply that first to all of the videos. Make sure you choose optical flow. There you go. And then I'm going to go to animation, go to in, and select swing bottom, and make sure the duration is on 0.1 seconds. You're just going to add that to all of the videos. And once you're done, you are going to go to effects, and then you're going to add in vertical blur, which is under video effects and under distortion. So find the vertical blur effect, which should be here somewhere. Oh, here it is, and add it to the track. And you're going to make it as small as possible, and you're going to set it at 100%. Let me just zoom in like this. Then you're going to copy and paste it and put it on top of the first one. Okay, this is a little bit hard to do. Okay, and you're going to make it longer than the second one, and you're going to have the blur at 75%. And then you're going to copy and paste it again and add it on top of the first one and make it longer. And you're going to have it at 50%. And lastly, you're going to copy and paste it again and have it at 20%. And you're going to copy that to all of your videos. So I'm just going to do that by selecting it all and just pasting it. So I just press Control on my keyboard, or you can do this too, and press copy, go to the beginning of the other videos and just paste it. I think it's easier to do it on PC rather than on your phone. Then you are going to go to media, and you're going to go to library, and you're going to add in a white overlay on top, like so, and you're going to add it till the end of each video. Choose overlay and choose an animation, which is the fade out one, and have the duration to be super, actually have it super long. Hold on. Like that. And you're just going to add it to all of the videos. You have to do this one by one because, well, you need to add it to the beginning of each video, and each video has a different duration. So do that, and I'm also going to adjust the fade out duration a little bit. This one too. And this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you think this video was helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!